Tickle. Your face is shaking. Creep me out. Gosh. Whoa! Okay, do this. Like, stretch your chin out as far as you can, like, and then shake your head. It sounds weird. Like, like, man.
I don't get what you mean.
Weird. Did you hear that?
I
Like
know,
that white noise? Like,
yeah, it's your hair shaking.
yeah, no, it sounds like aliens. Like, oh. Oompa, loompa, oompa doo. I've got another 1,000 for you. Ah, wah, wah, oompa, oompa doo. Shaking.
Imagine doing a video where we're going fast like this and then it goes fast.
Praise the Jesus, praise the Jesus. What? Praise the Jesus, praise the Jesus, praise the Jesus. Whoa. Mom, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get my poo.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get my poo. What do you have? Chocolate? I'm gonna try to catch it.
Oh, I caught it! Ow. Ow. Damn it. I know, I saw it. It was sunflower seed. Oh, hair.
Yum. Who is it? Elizabeth. Not your sister. We're at Sun River. We were riding our bikes really fast when we went down this hill. And she goes, oh my gosh, we were laughing. And she goes, there's got a bug in my mouth. I was like, that's disgusting. She's like, it's protein. I was like, you know, it's not really, right? She goes, what? It was so funny.
I want to meet her.
She's so funny. You'll love her.
I know, it sounds like me and her would get along. One of the friends viewers.
Seriously. She's really nice. She's kind of stupid, though. I hope she watches this video. She's so stupid. I'm just kidding.
Would you like some chocolate poop? I'm going to take some mocha poop.
I'm gonna like frame this.
You see, where's a boy? Wow.
Yeah!